Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Well, some things kind of progressed overnight a little bit faster than what I anticipated, and we are actually headed up to the Toledo area to pick up yet another truck. You guys know that we sold the dually, we sold the caddy. I am down trucks, so we needed to pick something up to have to drive for a work truck slash lawn service slash YouTube channel slash whatever we need it for. It's a pretty cool truck. It's something I've been looking for. Yeah, it's really nice truck. It's an Arizona truck. It does have just a little bit of rust on it on the fenders. So we are going to make our way up to Toledo so we can get this truck picked up when we get home. We'll give you some little sneak peeks along the way about what it might be, whether it's a Duramax, Power Stroke, you guys never know. Also, I did contact Ox Fuels. Like I said in the past, they do have an anti-gel. I do have that in my possession. We are going to give that a try and see how it works. Now, they claim to add 4 to 8% increase on fuel mileage. Now, with this truck, we do not have a baseline to go by, so we're going to go ahead and put that in and see what the fuel economy is on it with that, and then we may do a non-treated trial also. Temperatures aren't too bad to where I would have to have an anti-gel in there. If so, I do have some winter rescue from Hot Shots that can put in there and not have any issues. Supposedly this truck is bone stock from Arizona, so we're going to see what it is. Just like I said, it is 2 days later. Got up there, very nice gentleman, just wasn't really what I was looking for. Had planned on bringing it home, and it just didn't work out. So now we are back on the road again, heading back up north. This time we're going to a town called Monroe, Michigan, and we're going to see what this truck looks like. So still on the hunt, still on the road, looking for a truck. So when we get up there,
75 north towards Detroit.
Yeah, Siri's telling me where to go. Anyway, when we get up there, not going to quite show you exactly what it is that we're picking up. Like I said, could be a Power Stroke, could be a Duramax, could be a Cummins. We'll just have to wait and see when we get up there, depending upon if we buy this one or not. So this video may go on for God only knows how long, but as of right now, we're heading on day 3. So anyway, to the road we go. All right, we have made it home with the truck. Didn't do no filming up there, just wanted to get up there, get done, get home. This has been a long process starting last Saturday. What I went to first go look at was a 96 12 valve. It was in 2-wheel drive, regular cab, 8-foot bed. What we have picked up and actually brought home is something just a little bit different. Here it is. We picked up a 91 8-foot bed standard cab, first gen Cummins. This is a 91 D250. It's just a regular 2-wheel drive truck. I wanted a work truck. This was on a farm up there in Michigan. They used it for their fuel truck. It had a 400-gallon fuel tank in the back. They had it propped up on these boards here just to give them a little extra height. And like I said, to use it for the farm truck, they had lights hooked up every place. They got a big light bar up front that you guys probably saw. And they have lights all over the place back here. Most of this stuff is going to come off, especially the boards here. Not going to do it tonight. Drove all the way home with no speedometer. I do have a new speed sensor in there. We're going to get that replaced here in just a little while. But I just wanted to show you guys the new truck. It's not too bad. Door sags, as you saw, just a little bit there. So the pin on the bottom right there is bad. So you need to get a new pin there. Floor pans have been patched in. You see they use some good old license plate over there on the tunnel. So we're going to see how far that rust goes. Get a new floor pan. Rocker panel probably needs done too. Not certain about the cab corner. It looks like it's been patched in. I mean, it's kind of rough, but I want it just for a work truck. It's just going to be something for the channel. And it's also going to be something for the lawn service also. Pick up some new taillights probably. But the bed, I mean, for the most part, the bed's pretty clean. So it does have some dents and stuff that they tried to fill with some Duraglass. Not the current owner. Okay, I'm the current owner, but not the previous owner. It was owned by a farmer's co-op before this kid bought it. And he drove it for a few months and then ended up getting a 4th gen 6-speed truck. So for the most part, he only had it since September of last year, and now we're the proud owners. Just regular manual seat, power windows, good old cassette player. It ran really well on the way home. There's the old light bar right there. It is an intercooled truck. I was under the impression they started the intercools in 92, but this is a 91, so and this is intercooled, so I was tickled to death with that. One thing I did see also, as far as the speedometer not working, possibly the TPS sensor too. So we're going to start off changing the speed sensor because that's the most obvious. It's in the tail shaft of the transmission, and then we're going to go in the next few days. We'll check the red wire right here, if I remember right, is your signal wire. Maybe I'll have to check again, but I'm pretty sure the red wire is a signal wire, and there's a nut on the bottom side, bottom side of the TPS sensor, and you adjust that for your signal. You should have right around 1 at idle, and then right around 3 volts, I think, something like that, at full throttle. So we're going to check the voltage on that, get that adjusted, and then we're just going to start doing some general maintenance with it and get everything taken care of. Gonna do some oil, gonna do some differential fluid, we're gonna do some trans fluid and filter. We're gonna go through, change all the fluids, and make it a good daily and also a good work truck. So guys, hit that like button if you like the new truck. So there she is. It's not bad. I'm pretty stoked about having a 1st gen actually. Really wasn't looking for one, it just kind of fell in my lap, and we went and bought it today. So guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and thank you everybody who is using that Amazon link that's in my description. 3rd link in the description. You guys want to help the channel out for absolutely free. If you shop at Amazon, use my link and it'll help the channel grow and bring you more good content like for the 1st gen. So as I stumble upon my words, because I'm so excited for having this 1st gen. So anyway guys, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.